So, what's the best way to really help people if you're leading a workshop and, for example, you're meeting with them an hour and a half a week for 11 weeks? Don't fall into the trap of feeling like you have to lecture for an hour and a half. Big, big mistake. The best model these days is using a flipped classroom. That means when you're together live, whether it's virtually or in the same room, the instructor, the teacher, the workshop leader isn't doing the talking. Welcome to the TJ Walker Success Channel. This is the place where I help you become more successful by learning how to boost your communication skills, your competency, and your confidence. The lectures can be delivered in between the time you get together. You can do it in a video. You can do it through readings. You as the instructor can give your insights, your information to people that they can do as homework. They can watch videos of you on their own time. They can read your insights. When you're together, you want to help them the most. And most people learn by doing. If you believe in paying success forward, then hit the share button now. Let's spread more confidence around the world. If, for example, you're doing a seminar on entrepreneurship and people have to learn how to give sales presentations for their product, for their new company, don't just talk about it. Don't give them bullet points on a slide on theory. Have them literally stand up and give their sales pitch. Maybe bring in a few people from outside to act as the sharks to judge them. Put them in the hot seat. Let them know there's going to be pressure. Video record their sales presentations. Get feedback from independent observers. Have them critique themselves. That's something they'll truly remember. You can do this with every single aspect you teach. The majority of what you want to do as a workshop leader is you want to get your participants to do the work. I'm going to say something controversial, but I'll say it. The best workshop leaders, the best trainers in the world are frankly kind of lazy. I know I am. It's hard work for me to talk for an hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, 8 hours a day and be this singing clown and this court jester. It's relatively easy for me to ask someone to stand up. Now, tell me about your business idea. Now, give me your sales pitch. Now, tell me why I should invest with you. And then shut my mouth. I'll sit down. I'll shut my mouth. We'll now listen to this participant. In some cases, we'll video record that participant. Watch it. Learn together. Someone who listens to you say the most brilliant idea in the world may have some understanding of it. They might remember fragments of it. In theory, there's a chance they might act on it and incorporate it into what they actually do. But if someone takes your idea and actually has to work it out, demonstrate it, do it with their own hands, face, voice, mind, body, try to direct it to someone else, and it becomes an experience, something they've actually done, now you've made an impact. Now they understand it intellectually, but emotionally, because they know how they felt when they did it. Your thoughts matter. Please leave a comment below in the comment section, or a question, or a criticism, or a complaint, or praise. People can talk about, oh, I've got a great new concept for a business, and I've got a great way of getting investors excited. It's easy to do that. Actually giving the presentation, asking people for money, even in a simulated manner, is much harder to do. But when you've done it and you feel good about it, now you have real confidence. You've learned something, not just at the intellectual level, but the emotional level and the muscle memory level. Don't miss a beat on your journey to success. Tap the bell to receive notifications so you get constant updates for your own journey. Now you've had a real impact. And chances are you did that as a trainer by only speaking 5 or 10 minutes out of that hour and a half session. Infinitely more powerful than speaking and training and talking for the entire 90 minutes. That's how you make the biggest impact as a trainer. Can I ask you a personal favor? I'm trying to help more people just like you all around the globe improve their personal communication skills and to be more successful. If you hit the subscribe button, not only will I be able to help you, but that'll send a message to others around the world that this is a place for them. So please, as a small favor, hit subscribe.